which one's what?
Spin them. No. And spin the other one. Okay, what's the difference? Oops.
That one moves around while it spins, and that one stays in place.
So what's the difference?
That one goes like that at the same time moving, and that one just stays in place. That looks more like a circle when it spins.
Look, can I try again? So, this is, wait. This one's quicker, this one's slower.
That
Quick,
one.
slow.
So what's the difference between the two eggs?
This is quick, this is slow.
You squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
Use both hands.
No, one is enough. Yeah. Squeeze, squeeze.
One hand. Can I only do with one hand?
Wait, I need to put that in. So ready? Put that in.
Put it in. Put it in. Oh, it's cool. Whenever you do it just goes down. It just.
You can put your egg in your cup, Lily, very slowly. Yeah, and just let's guess if it's going to float or to sink. What do you think?
Sink.
Yeah, let's try. Yeah. Okay, so you can take it out. We're going to try to make it float, all right? Yeah, so basically for now, the egg is heavier than the water. So, but we can try in the other cup. Okay, Louis, you can put the salt, yeah? Oops. Okay, mix it with a spoon. Put the egg in the cup. Ooh. So does it sing or does it float?
Half.
Half. What do you think?
It's like down and then it's got a bit up.
Yeah, well, if it's a bit up, it floats. It's floating. Yeah. What's the difference between the two cups?
Mine's bigger. Yours is smaller.
What's in the water?
Salt.
Salt. We're going to make a bouncy eggs. Alright, it's going to take like up to 24 hours to see it. So we're going to cover our egg with vinegar. And we'll see in 2 days what's happening.
it gonna go?
Oops, cover it. That's it.
It's tea. Oh my god, there's a lot. It's
Okay.
fizzy. You're pretty cold, you know.
Okay, can you see, if you look very carefully, some little bubbles?
Yeah, I see loads of little bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's fizzy. It's
All
fizzy now.
around the eggs, you can see little bubbles, right?
Yeah.
So
It looks like it's in sparkling water.
Uh-huh. Well, that's the calcium of the shell that is going to be broken down. All right, and we'll see in 24 hours what it looks like. All right?
A whole day?
We'll see tomorrow already,
What?
and then we'll see in 2 days.
Why are there little holes in the shells?
You see a hole?
Look, holes.
The calcium is breaking apart, so in the end,
Mm-hmm.
it would just be.
How does it feel, Louis?
Bouncy. It feels like bouncy. Now?
Yeah.
Good. You've got the York. It's a big blob.
So you can see that that was a shell,
Oh my god.
the eggshell,
Oh
all
my God.
soft, but the egg inside was still, you know, so a raw egg inside a soft shell. So if you make it bounce, you have to be super careful.